doesn't want to focus, eh? Boys are almost there. Pretty fired up. Fucking high.
That's your jump. You finish your launch yet?
Dude, why doesn't it focus?
The thing's on manual focus.
Is it? Oh, it is. Look at those high chews, man. Scope the high chew. Scope the. Oh, fuck me. I gotta poo. Oh.
Alright, we're here. It's me and P-Boy. We woke up this morning on a mission from the man Jeebus himself.
Slept through a couple alarms. It's alright though.
Yeah, so it's like 10 o'clock. We're in Port Alberni. This is crazy, crazy moment. So 4 years ago, I used to have, lens is dirty as shit, man. 4 years ago, I owned an S14.
Pretty sick.
And guess what? We're buying it back today, man.
We're getting it back. Well, I'm getting it back.
Colby's buying it. I'm letting him buy it. You know, if he does anything heinous to it, he's not, because I'm taking full creative control, bruh. Yeah, Colby sold the Supra, and he's buying this. This is what he's been trying to buy. I've been talking to this guy for like 2 years.
I was gonna buy this, but then he didn't want to sell it, so I bought the E30. That's how long it's been.
But we're gonna go look at it, and then we're gonna come back, and we'll film a walk around, and I'll talk about it. I have a bunch of like clips of when I used to own the car.
Some burnouts.
It's crazy, man. This is pretty much the car that got Moist Boy started.
Yeah, it is.
Because Adam and I started wrenching on it, then Ben would help. We manual swapped it in the garage.
Yeah, if they're the real OG, they'll have seen the videos. Because they're not listed anymore.
Yeah, we have 2 videos on this car on the channel, but they're private because they're extremely heinous.
But if you're from day one, they would have seen it.
Holy
Literally
shit,
looks
man.
the exact same.
Looks the exact same as when I sold it 4 years ago.
Still got the fucking after hours stickers.
We're in the Wally's parking lot right now.
Scope the interior, man. It
Holy hell, man.
looks like it came off the lot. Got the 330 Nardi.
I put this Nardi in, I put that fake Nismo shift knob. It looks the exact same as when I sold it.
Now we're gonna dank
Well, hang on, we gotta do a little walk around here.
Let me get started. We're gonna make it smell nice.
So this was my second car that I ever owned. And I sold it and immediately regretted it. I bought it as an automatic in Nanaimo. I can't even remember. I think, yeah, it was me, Ben, and Adam. Manual swapped it, and it took us like 4 months. And then right after I swapped it, I sold it. And there's like a lot of shit with this car. Like, we ended up putting the wrong flywheel bolts in, and I was driving one day and everything, like all the flywheel bolts just sheared off in the crank. So we had to drop the trans and put like some ARPs in. But there's so many memories with this car, it's actually insane, man.
Man, it feels nice. No exhaust though, it's a little...
It's like surreal to have it back. Yeah, so when I sold the car, it didn't have an exhaust on it because it broke off when I was driving to school one day. And it's still in the trunk. The guy never put it on. I gave him a valve cover gasket, never put it on. Spare starter, old clutch, that's all my shit in the trunk. So he just never put it on. Still have these after hours stickers that I put on. This is back in 2017.
Yeah. Scope these first.
Yeah, Colby's getting the car up to par real quick. So the only thing he changed was, I never had a speedo when I did the 5-speed swap, so he put a GPS speedo in. We're gonna go drop a dirty shit in Walmart after this.
I gotta poo so bad.
And we got a 3-hour drive home. But it's insane. It's crazy to have this car back. Like I think I said before, I tried to buy this thing back for like 2 years.
Man, they sound smelly things good though.
Huh?
Or that's this.
No.
It's stinking real nice.
So the car does have a little bit of rust. I don't think it's all the way through. We should be able to just grind it down and paint over it. Holy man. Yeah, this thing's clean. It's crazy to have this thing back, man.
It's so clean on the guy.
The interior is so clean.
Cleaned it.
I guess that cracked, but whatever.
Just gonna unscrew.
He didn't even take off the Shinjuku sticker.
Don't take that off yet, it gets sticky. Don't take it off. Leave
Fuck
it.
you, man. You're gonna leave it on there, aren't you?
No, I'm gonna make it so it's not.
With Moist Boy's cup holder, Marlboro air freshener. the knob going on. I already put the adapter in there. Dude, pass me those air fresheners. So you didn't even change the air fresheners. Wow, sorry I'm shaking. It's fucking frigid, man. That's insane. This thing looks the exact same as when I sold it.
Do you remember the AC, the heat works in this thing?
Everything works. It's crazy shit, man. So 240,000 kilometers on this car. Like, cosmetically, man, like everything structurally, this thing's mint. There's a bit of rust, a little bit of rust on the rockers. That's all the way through. That wasn't there when I sold it. I think it's probably just because this thing was sitting for 4 years. But fuck it, it's gonna get side skirts anyways. Colby's got plans. We'll go over later in the video.
Man, just look how clean it is. Like, holy shit.
This Blitz sticker, never took that off. Oh, I forgot how bad the fucking clear coat on the roof was.
Yeah.
Nothing. How was it?
Man, when I started it, when we stopped to take a piss,
Yeah?
the fucking idle just almost died.
It's fine.
Holy shit, man.
Oh.
That was a long drive.
We're back. Look at it.
It's dirty.
Disgusting.
Look at the paint, man. It looked a lot better in the rain.
That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I thought when I first bought it too. I was like, holy shit, this thing's so clean. And then the water dries off of it. Yeah, so I don't know how much we talked about, but I used to own this car.
Yeah, I even know that.
Put some clips over the screen right now of when I used to own it. Now Colby owns it.
Yeah, we're gonna make it sick.
Yes. Crazy, man.
You know the watts, they've been ordered. They were ordered a while ago. So we're gonna 5-lug swap it. Put the watts on, hopefully they fit. Probably won't.
This is the first vinyl we ever did.
That's some OG shit.
You can't even buy that shit anymore, man.
Really?
No, you can't. Crazy, man.
Yeah, the car is gonna get painted eventually. We'll know what paint it is.
Shut up.
Holy shit.
Crazy. It's so clean. It's crazy clean. No rust in here. Wow. I hate this though. This looks so gump. Just put it like, or just get an actual Speedo.
Yeah, you can do that too.
It just doesn't have one. I'm pretty sure when I did the manual swap, I didn't have a Speedo, so I put like a shop glove, rubber glove, over the Speedo and zip tied it, and I'm pretty sure it's still like that. Also, when I manual swapped it, I could only get one bolt in the carrier bearing, and after I sold it, apparently the drive shaft fell out. So it's got a one-piece drive shaft in it now, which is kind of cool.
Man, it was vibrating.
Well, you don't have an exhaust.
Yeah, probably why. The mirror.
So, man,
the mirror needs to be tightened. I was driving back.
no, it was like that when I owned it too.
With like no, I couldn't see behind me.
Everything's fucked on this car because when I owned it, I had no idea what I was doing. The exhaust on this car broke off on my way to school, so I took it off, and he never put it back on. It's still in the trunk. That's where it was when I sold it to him. That's crazy, man. He literally like stored it for us. So Colby finally got an S chassis like he always wanted. No more junk, even though this thing's probably junk too.
Finally joining the club. Gonna leave it stock.
I wonder how long it's gonna take for this thing to stop running and join my car on jack stands.
Give it a week.
What's in here? Ben's old horn button. Ben gave this to me. Still in there. Yeah. Any change?
It's good.
Oh, what? You still have one of our drift buttons?
Yeah. The old ones.
Man,
I saw that
he
in there.
like did he not even like?
Didn't even open it.
He must have not even driven this car. Like, he said he put like day plates on it maybe 5 times.
Yeah, if that.
That's so cocked. Like literally everything is. It's like I didn't even sell it. Like what was he doing, man?
Wasn't wrenching, I'll tell you that.
He must have just bought it from me and then parked it. Fucking barn find, man.
Yeah, Jimmy Oaks battle to the clean.
Yeah, but when I had this thing, it had like surface rust, and we never did anything about it.
Oh yeah.
We never did anything
People
about
like
it, so
those.
now there's like a hole in both of the rockers. But Colby wants side skirts anyway. Colby wants to do a full nav and kit on this.
Yeah.
With watts. Maybe a little roof spoiler. Respray maybe, who knows. Crazy plans this man has. This man's talking about KAT, but he's got to learn how to put spark plugs in first. So we'll
Boys can do that now. Come on, we're learning.
Pop the hood to see how greasy this thing is. But yeah, apart from like there's a couple things that was like it when I had it, but it almost looks the exact same as when I had it, because it literally just sat in his driveway. Holy fuck. So like the only thing done to the car is the Megan coilovers I put in, this Spectre crappy tire pod filter,
And the short
shifter, and the exhaust I got as a graduation present.
Yeah, but I sell that
This
one.
is the exact, man, nothing has changed. It's actually insane.
Sat
He bought
there
the
for 4
car
years.
and just let it sit for 4 years. Because apart from like being disgusting, maybe it was always like this and I was just too stupid to realize. But yeah, quick power wash and freaking whatchamacallit? Not every day you get to buy back one of your old cars. Save up your loonies and toonies for your exteriors first and then worry about the engine. You gotta learn, man. You gotta walk the staircase first. In a fucking Polar engine, you don't even know what the hell half this shit is. Come on now.
But eventually, come on. I need, honestly, man, the kit and some paint. Yeah, if anyone wants an exhaust,
How chungus this is.
this is your oil that you bought way back
I
when?
thought the big wheels were cool.
Yeah, it's almost full.
Crazy.
Some fucking speakers too.
It's cool to have this back, that's for sure. It's just in slightly worse condition than when I had it. That's the end of the video. Stay tuned for more content on the S14. Stay tuned for the SR head gasket video. Stay tuned for when we power wash the engine bay in this disgusting piece of garbage.
We'll actually have videos on this one.
Supra was way too hard to get parts for, and it was ugly as shit. Just telling them from the beginning. Way better, man. The nav and bumper, the nav and skirts, man. Rear valance, roof wing. Well, yeah. Comment below what you think about the S14. Comment below what you think about P-Boy with S chassis.
Yeah.
Paid way too much money for this rig, considering I sold it for like
How much did you sell for?
way less than what you bought it for.
Uh-huh.
That's stonks though, man.
Yeah.
Welcome to the club.
This is a long-term investment.
Exactly. Price is not going to go down on these pieces of junk. To the moon. That's
Just like Dogecoin.
Yeah.
People gotta invest in that.
Crazy.
Yeah, paint's fucked.
Easy.
Look at all this salty water, man.
Paint's cocked, but as soon as you get wheels on it,
Doesn't even matter.
night and day, man.
Doesn't even matter what it looks like without the watts. Dusty.
Right on. See you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe.
Peace out.
The boys will try to intimidate.